In this demonstration, we will create a ticket from the help desk. To begin creating a ticket, click Help Desk and select Tickets. Click New Ticket. Select a customer from the drop-down list, or add a customer by clicking the plus icon and entering the customer's name. The customer's default service item and default location populate automatically, but you may update these entries. Contact and asset information is optional. Under Ticket Properties, select the assigned user, the due date, ticket status, and if configured, the queue for the ticket. Select the radio button for the ticket priority. The billable checkbox is selected by default. Taxes can be applied either in MSP Manager or within one of the integrated accounting applications, like QuickBooks or Xero. If the organization is taxing directly from MSP Manager, select the taxable checkbox. Enter a title for the ticket and additional details. Ticket issue types can be configured for common customer problems. Click the icons at the top to edit a ticket or add a time entry, expense, appointment, response, note, and attachment. The Mark All as Read icon marks all ticket responses as read, including responses from the customer and any contacts attached to the ticket. Click Save Ticket, or save and start a timer if you are ready to work on the ticket. You may start a timer after a ticket is saved by clicking the Save and Start Timer icon. Click Pause to pause the timer. Click Stop to stop the timer, and open the time entry window. Select the type of work. For this example, email is selected. The start and end time and time spent are captured automatically. Click Save. The time entry is saved and recorded on the ticket. Expand the context panel to add information to the ticket. Close the ticket window by clicking X, or clicking outside the ticket window.